Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to force a restart on OPPO A3 when your touchscreen isn't responding. When your touchscreen on OPPO A3 doesn't respond, you need to press and hold on power and volume up until the display goes off. So let's press and hold on volume up and power. And let's keep pressing until the display goes dark, because now it is I'm unable to click on anything. Now when the display went off, I can release these buttons and the phone will reboot. And now you can unlock your device and it's ready to be used. You can see that the touchscreen is working again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.